Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin ay yung mga kailangan nating gawin or to accomplish this month, January 2025, if you are a business owner. Are you a small business owner? If yes, then listen and watch this video to check what else you need to do. Alright. So, the first one that we need is business permit renewal. So I don't think if this is general due date, January 20, 2025, or in our municipality only. Kasi if lalagpas ka dyan, January 20, meron na siyang penalty. Alright. So, kung magre-renew ka or kukuha ka ng bago, make sure na lakarin mo na siya first week pa lang ng January kasi marami na ring pila. Then, of course, to avoid penalty. Marami din kasi yung mga ek-ek na kailangan before natin makuha yung ating business permit. And of course, yung pambayad. The next one is BIR Annual Inventory List. So as far as I know, almost ng may mga business ay kailangan mag-submit ng annual inventory list. Like yung may mga on-hand na mga items or product. So until January 31 yung submission nito. What we need are sworn declaration and Annex A inventory list. Those are the needed documents. And of course, kailangan natin ng CD or flash drive to save inventory list. But no worries, I will provide separate video on this before the deadline of submission. The next one will be DOE annual report. So this is not applicable to all. So sa may mga LPG business lang to. This submission is until January 20 as well. Penalty will be imposed if no submission will be made until that day. So if possible, I will provide separate video on this as well before the due date. The next one will be tax filing. So this is one of the most important. So kailangan tingnan nyo yung CUR nyo. And most of kailangan i-file na may mga business or based sa CUR ay annual income tax or Form 1701 or 1701A. Due date will be April 15, 2025 for January 2024 to December 2024 sales. Pero much better na mag-file na before this date para wala ka ng problema. Kung na-compute mo na yung sales mo from January 2024 to December 2024. Okay. The next one is annual withholding tax or Form 1604E. This is if nagre-rent po kayo. So, due date niya is on March 1, 2024. Pero walang babayaran dito. It's just like listing lang ng mga na-file mo for withholding, quarterly withholding tax. For the fourth quarter withholding tax, 1601AQ, meron pa din tayong ipa-file na last one for October, November, December 2024 for the last quarter. So, due date will be on January 31, 2025. No worries kasi December 2024 lang babayaran nyo dito. Since yung October, November is nabayaran na natin. So, yun lang guys. Kung meron pa kayong need i-file, based sa COR nyo, percentage tax, ganyan, included. The next one is COR update sa BIR mismo. Yon, you need to update your COR if what tax type you want to avail, like 8% or 3%. Sa 8% guys, much better siya kung kunti lang yung sales nyo a year. Kasi meron siyang 250 tax exemption per year. Less than 250k yung sales mo, within a year, no tax. Pero kung lumagpas, yun yung babayaran mo. And will be multiplied to 8%. Pag 3% naman, much lower pero wala siyang exemption na 250k. Tapos, you need to file pa percentage tax and income tax return. Well, sa 8%, ang file mo lang dyan income tax. Di-disappear na yung percentage tax. Then, you need to check also your books of accounts if you need to avail dahil ubos na. Like, book of cash or book of disbursement. Alright, so yun lang. Thank you for watching. I hope that you have realized all the things what we need to accomplish this month as a small or business owner. Bye for now.